Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. If two coins are tossed at once, we need to find the probability of getting two heads and the probability of getting at least one tail. So if two coins are tossed once, so what are the possibilities? So the possible outcomes are both the coins must be head, or first coin is head and the second coin is tail, or the first coin is tail and the second coin is head, or both the coins are tail. So these are all the four possibilities we'll get. So the favorable or the total possibilities are of 4. So we need to find the probability of getting two heads. So how many are there? Only one situation is there. So if we toss two coins at a time, so there is only once we'll get two heads. So we can say that, we can conclude that the probability of getting two heads is 1/4. And the next one is the probability of getting at least one tail. At least one tail. So what are the possibilities are there? One tail. So in this one we have HH. So at least one tail. We need at least one tail. So in this we don't have. And the second one HT we have one tail, and this one we have one tail, and this one we have two tails. So in these three possibilities we have at least one tail. So which is the number of favorable or possibilities are 3. So we can conclude that the probability of getting at least one tail is the probability of getting at least one tail is 3/4. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.